What's the meaning of cross? Cross. Cross.
Cross. Cross. The word cross has various meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a geometrical figure with intersecting lines or to the act of moving from one side to another. It can also mean to hinder or obstruct someone or something, or to bear children. In a religious context, it refers to the symbol of Christianity representing the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. Overall, the word cross has diverse meanings and connotations, but it often implies some form of intersection, movement between 2 points, or a certain level of obstacle or challenge.